Okay, folks, I'm back with the unboxing. Let's open this thing up. Oops. Okay. Wow, okay, I was expecting a little bit more. This is the gl65 Leopard 10SFK. Okay. Oop. Oh, okay, so the flashy box is on the inside of the other box. Okay. True for gaming, eh? That's pretty basic. Yeah, it's a little bit backwards. You would think that the MSI logo would be facing the other direction, considering that this is where you open it. Okay. This is my very first brand spanking new gaming laptop. I owned a Gateway laptop brand new years ago, but that thing was a pile of crap. Okay, packing. Okay, any questions, contact us. Different language. There's nothing in there. Okay. That's the laptop in general. Does look pretty cool. I'm assuming that this is the power brick and accessories. No, just power. Oh, and what is this? Oh, okay. So that's the power cord, and that's the power brick. Okay. That's pretty big. Alright. Let's see here. We'll be messing around with that a little later. And go ahead and pull this out of here. Okay, there is stuff on the bottom here. This, okay, that's the instructions. I'll be messing with that later too. Let's go ahead and get this out. Yeah, it feels like it's maybe a little bit lighter than my other laptop. Not the Gateway, but the Lenovo that I got, which is currently running, but it's you can't really game on it. That's pretty damn slick. I like that. Not bad. Oh, okay, so power goes on the side. I figured it'd go in the back. Okay, there ain't no room in the back, I guess, because of the fans. Okay, they are saying that there's an overheating issues with this, but from what I have come to understand, it's pretty much on all MSIs on the left. Okay, for some dumb reason we got cut off there. But anyways, it was the overheating problem was with the Core i5s, and and the other lines of MSI laptops, gaming ones specifically. They're also complaining about these the hinges breaking and the bezel plastic cracking and all that junk. Go ahead and open this. Okay, no lock on there. But this one is the one that isn't supposed to overheat because it's got the Core i7 in it. And of course it's the RTX 2070, at least it's supposed to be. This is almost exactly the same as the other keyboard, except this on the Lenovo one. This is also supposed to be illuminated, and battery needs to be charged up. Okay, well, once I get the battery charged up, I will show more of that, but I'll have to wait until that's charged up. I like how it closes. Opening it up is a bit of a pain though, but overall it's not bad. Not bad at all. It looks nice. We'll just have to see how well it performs. I'll be running some benchmarks and stuff on there. Okay, I got this thing set up in a briefcase for right now, and we are plugged in and charging. At first that indicator light wouldn't come on. Not sure exactly what the hell that was up with that. As soon as it's charged, I will get it going. Okay, and here we are, folks. 2 hours later, and it's almost fully charged. I went ahead and I booted it earlier to get it all set up and ready to go so we can test the boot speed. So let's give it a try. Wow. Okay, that's as fast as my desktop. Yeah, that is pretty stinking fast. Yeah, 93% available. Okay, remaining time? It doesn't say. It'll probably say at some point. But the indicator light doesn't come on unless the power is on, so don't know exactly how you can tell if you're getting power to the battery or not. And the power brick doesn't get that warm either. All right, let's go ahead and get into here, go to this PC, and okay, yeah. This is the 500 gig M.2. I thought it was advertised that there was a secondary SSD in here, but I guess not. Must have been one of the other models. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is the Dragon Center. And you gotta log in. Okay, I'll skip that for now. And okay, yeah, the Core i7, 1075, 2.6. I believe that's the same speed as my desktop, but I'm not sure. And it's the RTX 2070. The desktop's GTX 1070. The RAM is supposed to be the same on the video as the desktop and this, 8 gigs. And yeah, my desktop also has 16 gigs of RAM. I'm not connected to the internet, and the temperatures aren't too bad. That's not too bad at all. And that's about all that we can do for now. Later on I will put some benchmarks on here and see what's going on. See if I can get this. Okay, we're back, and I have done my testing. Playing games will give you approximately 55 minutes of battery, and if you're not playing games at a full charge, you can get a maximum of 5 hours. Of course, depending on what you're doing. Sorry. But it runs the best plugged in, of course, but if you're wanting to play games, you'll get 55 minutes off of a full charge battery. I have this is Final Fantasy 15, and it is set to average graphics settings, and the drivers that are included when you receive the laptop. Well, I wish there was a extended life battery. I've been looking around and I can't find any. So, well, it's not a bad little laptop. It's got some stuff to it. Like, see, if you hit the function button, it shows you what buttons you can press corresponding to the function button. Volume controls and some other things are on there. I haven't read the instructions yet, but well, I'll get around to it. This was just for testing purposes. Well, that concludes this video unboxing the MSI gl65 Leopard and test. Thanks for watching.